Welcome to the ultimate guide to becoming a data scientist. In this video, we'll walk you through the complete roadmap of the GoLogica Data Scientist Expert Master's Program. Break down all the key elements, the structure of the course, and how you can transition into a successful data science career. If you're looking to dive into the world of AI, machine learning, and big data, you're in the right place. Stay with us for the next 15 minutes, and by the end, you'll have a clear, what is data science? Course overview, course structure and learning path, tools and technologies covered, career prospects after the program, capstone project, real-world application. Conclusion, what is data science? First things first, let's start by understanding what data science is. Data science involves using scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. It's a field that brings together mathematics, statistics, computer science, and domain expertise to solve complex problems in business, health, finance, and beyond. From predictive modeling to data-driven decision-making, data science is reshaping industries worldwide. Course overview. The GoLogica in Data Scientist Expert Master's Program is designed to equip you with all the necessary skills you need to become a professional data scientist. Here's what you'll cover. Core data science concepts, the basics of statistics, probability, data manipulation, and programming. Python and R programming. Master these two powerful programming languages essential for data analysis and machine learning. Data visualization. Learn how to present data insights through charts, dashboards, and interactive visual tools using tools like Tableau and Power BI. Machine learning. Dive deep into algorithms, regression, clustering, decision trees, random forests, and more. Big data and Hadoop ecosystem. Understand the role of big data in processing large datasets and explore Hadoop, HDFS, and MapReduce. Deep learning and AI. Explore neural networks, deep learning techniques, and how AI models work. Capstone project. Work on real-life data science problems to apply all your skills. Course structure and learning path. The program is structured into the following phases. Introduction to data science and statistics. This lays the foundation for topics like descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, and probability theory. You'll get hands-on with real-world data sets and practice Python and R coding. Data visualization and analysis. This phase focuses on tools like Matplotlib, Seaborn, Tableau, and Power BI to create stunning visualizations. You'll also explore data wrangling techniques using pandas and NumPy. Machine learning and deep learning. Get into the nitty-gritty of supervised and unsupervised learning algorithms. You'll build predictive models, dive into neural networks, and even explore how AI systems operate. TensorFlow and Keras are some of the frameworks you'll use. Big data and Hadoop. Understand the need for handling massive data sets with tools like Hadoop and Apache Spark. Learn how to process data using HDFS and create workflows using Pig and Hive. Capstone project and industry use cases. This final phase is all about practical experience. You'll apply all the tools and techniques you've learned to solve an industry problem. This project will serve as your portfolio piece to showcase to potential employers. Tools and technologies covered. To excel in this program, you'll get hands-on experience with the latest and most popular tools used by data scientists today, including Python and R for data manipulation, visualization, and machine learning algorithms, TensorFlow and Keras for deep learning and neural networks, Hadoop and Spark for big data processing, Tableau and Power BI for interactive data visualizations, SQL for managing and querying structured data, Excel for basic data analysis and modeling. Upon completing the Data Scientist Expert Master's Program, the career opportunities are immense. Companies across all industries are seeking skilled data scientists to analyze data and provide actionable insights. Here are a few career paths you can take. Data scientist. Analyze large data sets, build predictive models, and develop strategies based on data. Machine learning engineer. Work on creating and optimizing machine learning algorithms. Big data engineer. Handle large data sets and create data pipelines using Hadoop and Spark. Data analyst. Focus on interpreting data and generating reports to aid decision-making processes. AI researcher. Dive into deep learning and artificial intelligence systems. Average salaries for data scientists range from $90,000 to $150,000 annually, depending on experience and location. Capstone Project Real-World Application. An integral part of the program is the Capstone Project, where you'll work on a real-world problem. This is where you'll apply everything from data cleaning, visualization, and model building to deploying machine learning algorithms. The Capstone Project sets you apart by demonstrating your ability to tackle actual business challenges using data science. How to get started? Ready to leap into data science? Getting started is easy. Visit the course page, sign up, and you'll have instant access to all the learning materials, assignments, and projects. Don't worry if you're a beginner. The program is designed to guide you step by step, regardless of your background. Conclusion: the GoLogica Data Scientist Expert Master's Program equips you with the essential skills and tools to excel in the rapidly growing field of data science. With comprehensive training in data analysis, machine learning, and big data, this program prepares you for high-demand career opportunities. Join today and transform your future with data-driven expertise. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.